Greetings to everyone. Myself JASAN DIKSHIT and I am from team GREVANTA. Our problem statement ID is SIH 1555. Our problem statement is provided by Ministry of AYUSH, which is creating a virtual herbal garden that provides an interactive, educational and immersive experience to users, showcasing the diverse range of medicinal plants. Virtual Herbal Garden. It deals with the problems regarding our ancient knowledge, which is written in Ayurveda, homeopathy, and naturopathy, Unani, Siddhi. But it is not accessible in today's world. So we have created a 3D virtual herbal garden where we can interact with plants, herbs. We can click them. We can get their details, profile, scientific names, and medicinal uses. It is future ready. We will integrate AI chatbot for personal guidance AR to bring plants into real world. It is accessible everywhere because it is a web based, no physical limits and multi-language supported. The innovation and uniqueness we have used, it's a first of its kind fusion of Ayurveda and virtual reality. Gamified, it's also gamified where you can play games, quiz will be provided in it, preserves ancient knowledge, and it creates a huge database of our ancient knowledge to this digital platform. For virtual herbal garden, there were four main components. The first one was 3D interacting plants. The 3D models of plant where a user can interact, user can click, user can get their data, user can interact with plants, move around the garden. We used 3.js for 3D rendering. For front end, we used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For back end, we used PHP, and for database, we used MySQL. And here, there are many specific parts in our project. One of them is user interaction. For it, we have introduced and we have featured our web page with a gamification, which is like a quiz or a puzzle, and user. The second specification is we have a search bar where user can put any disease and he will get an instant remedy, instant medication for it using our herbal plants and the database we have created. Third, for user interaction, we have introduced gamification. There will be quizzes, puzzles for user. And the fourth part is the interface. And for future, we will integrate AR integration and real world. We want to implement a AR verification, a structured content for easy navigation and future scalability. And if we are talking about future, we will also implement AI chatbot, and we will implement AR integration, and we will connect it with real world. Now we will talk about feasibility and viability of virtual herbal garden. The technical feasibility, 3D VR technology, plants data is widely available, and 3D VR technologies are already mature, and it can be applied to create immersive virtual herbal garden simulations. Plants data, botanic database and Ayurvedic references. Hardware support works on smartphone, AR, VR headset and web browsers. Economic feasibility, initial development cost is moderate, but free open source engines will help a lot. The funding monetization is available through educational institutes, healthcare startups or CSR projects. Operational feasibility, it is easily adopted in schools, universities, Ayurveda institutes and herbal research centers. Legal, it will promote traditional knowledge, Ayurveda herbal medicines without violating the IP rights. It will support government initiatives like Digital India and Ayushman Bharat. Now we will talk about viability analysis. The educational viability, it will be easily adopted in schools, university. Students can walk inside a herbal garden virtually. Health viability, suppose. We will talk about viability analysis. It will be very viable in schools, easily adopted. Students can walk into a 3D virtual garden. If we talk about healthcare viability, it will support AYUSH and medical professionals by creating awareness about herbal remedies, acts as a bridge between modern technologies and our ancient Ayurveda. Now we will talk about commercial viability. It have a great scope of collaboration with herbal product companies, Ayush centers, and wellness startups. Long-term viability, growing global interest in herbal medicine ensure consistent demand. Virtual platforms have scalability, new plants, gamification, and VR updates can be added very easily. Potential impact of virtual herbal garden is very effective. First of all, students, interactive learning of medicinal plants, researchers, easy access to structured herbal data. In healthcare and public sector, awareness of herbal remedies and prevention care. Institutes digital alternative of physical herbal gardens. The social and economical impact of virtual herbal garden will be: it will encourage biodiversity, it will promote ecosystem conservation among youth, reduce carbon footprint versus physical garden, supports sustainable green education. Environmental impacts are also very good. It will promote Ayurveda, preserved cultural heritage we have preserved in our India, in our motherland. Improves public health awareness and education. Boosts Ayush industry, edtech and startups. Reduce cost of maintaining physical herbal gardens. And at the end, I would like to say, Ayurveda Jivanasya Vijnanam. Dhanyavad.